Hi, Mike Ellis here. I want to congratulate you all for coming in and being part of our Forex trading team. I want to go over a few things very quickly. Go over the back office. I'll do a quick trade for you just to show you a few things. But to start with, I want to tell you that our team is the first team in the world to be able to offer these free Forex signals to you all. So you're part of a really elite group right now. Nobody else in the world is getting these free Forex signals. So it's a really big deal. And what we want from you all, the email that we've just sent you, it's going to have a few questions for you. And we'd like you all to go ahead and answer those questions, say by next Friday. Today is the 4th. So by Friday morning, if you could go over the site, start your trading, and then answer those questions and send them back to us, it really would be a great help. What we're trying to do is really make this platform, these Forex signals, the best they can be. We want it to be very simple, easy to access, and any input that you all can give us really is a big deal. So what I'd like to do is start out with the back office that you're going to be going to. We're going to send you to this site right here. And let me take my picture down a little bit. And it's really pretty simple. You're going to go over and you're going to sign up. And this is the sign up right here. Very simple stuff. Once you've signed up, you're actually going to sign in. And I'll go ahead and sign into my account. Give me just a second and I'll get in her, guys. And hopefully I get in the first time. So you'll go ahead and sign into the account. And this is your back office right here. Now what we'd like you to do is get in and really kind of go through everything. There is some good information back here, learning content. Obviously your premium Forex signals. This is VIP Global FX. And we would like you to go through this site and just see how easy it is to maneuver through and the amount of support it gives you as you come in and do the free signals. As we look at the free signals, obviously this is the most important part of the whole thing, your actual signals that you're going to be getting daily. But I also want you to come over here and join the Telegram support group. If you have any questions on the trading, I want you to run over to the Telegram support group, which you join right here, and really ask those questions in that group. We've got our master trader, Troy, in there, and he can answer any questions that you might have about these trade setups and the free signals that you're going to be getting. The free signals are working really well. Our last testimonial, they're doing right around 19%. That is going to vary. Obviously, we can't guarantee anything. This is financial information that we're sharing with you, and what you do with it really is up to you. I'll do a quick trade here in just a little bit, and it shows you how I do the trade, and it might help you have a trading strategy using these signals. Obviously, we're very excited about the signals and how they're working. And we believe in the next 2 weeks, you're going to find out that, yeah, this is the place you want to be to do your Forex trading. At the end of 2 weeks, you're either going to have to purchase these Forex signals or not. It's really up to you. We believe that the results will be good enough that, yeah, you'll want to come in and start using these on a regular basis. I am paying for these signals right now. Obviously, I get a lot more signals than you do. Today, I think I had 12. But as you come in and you're getting the free signals, we give you one a day for the next 2 weeks. And at the end of that 2-week period, you're going to either decide to purchase the product and get the signals long-term, or you're going to decide not to. If you decide to come in and actually purchase the signals, all you do is click up here and then follow the instructions. And we'll have more as the weeks unroll and how well the signals are doing. We'll have more for you to proceed forward and really make this a long-term deal. And if we look at the historical data with these signals, and again, we can't guarantee anything, but long-term, we've seen that the average rate of return monthly right around 28%. And it really does vary, guys, from month to month. Some months we've seen as low as 8%, other months as high as 48%. Again, no guarantees. Those are just the historical data. But I think as you come in and start trading with these Forex signals, I think you're going to be impressed, and I think you're going to find a way forward to really be successful with your Forex trading. Okay, I wanted to do a quick trade for you all just to show you how easy it is. And as you look at the trade sets, and I'm going to be bringing screens in and out of here, I'm going to do this trade right here. I've got a short and I've got a long. And I'm going to start with the US Japanese yen. And in order to do this trade, you have to bring up the position size calculator. And with the US Japanese yen, it's at 28.7 pips. I always round it up to 29 if it's above that 0.5. So as I do that, I'll come over here, and what you do is you put the account size, you put the ratio that you want to trade. I'm going to be trading the 1-3, so I put 3% in here. I put the number of pips in here, and then the trade set in here. So if I go back over here, again, US Japanese yen, I'm at 29 pips, so I come over here and put 29 in here, hit calculate, and then I'm going to get the volume right down here, and it's 0.119. I rounded up to 0.112, and then as I'm doing that, I'm going to take this out for a sec. I come over here and I drag this chart into this window. And I'm ready to do the order. What I'll do is I'll double click here, and again, it doesn't matter what exchange you're in. You can do this in any exchange, and these are pending orders. So here's my my order box. I'll bring this back over here real quick, and I come back into my unified trade set, and I will hit this. The first thing I want to do are the pips, and that's 0.12. I've already got that in there. That goes right there in the volume. Come back over here, and I copy and paste the stop loss. Copy. I'll move this over real quick. Paste. Then I come back over in here and I do the 1-3. Now, if you all are going to do the 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3, if you're outside the United States and Canada, you can do that. And I would recommend it. It's a suggestion, not a recommendation. This lowers the risk level. It works very well if you do the 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3, but you have to do each one of these trades separately. So you would do a trade at 1-1, a trade at 1-2, and a trade at 1-3. I'm just doing all 1-3. That's why I put in the position calculator 3%. If you're going to do the 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3, it's recommended that you do 1% in each of them, so that it's a total of 3% of your total portfolio in each trade. So again, I'm doing the 1-3. I copy that. That is my take profit. I put that right in here. Paste. And again, these are pending trades. So I come down here. I put pending order, and it is a buy. And I'm going to put the buy price, which is right here. Sorry about that, guys. Which is right here. Copy. I'll minimize that again. And then I put that right here. Paste. And then I place the order. Hit OK. And what you're seeing, this is the stop area right here. This is where they're going to buy. And if I make that just a little smaller, you're going to see that this is where it's going to sell. So this trade is just starting, and what they're expecting it to do is to come down, get in this level right here and activate, go active, and then go back up and stop out at the 1-3. Now these trades, sometimes they don't activate, sometimes they'll come in and stop out, sometimes they'll go to the 1-1, 1-2, sometimes they'll go to the 1-3. You don't need a huge amount of wins to do very, very well with this trading process, with these guys, the signals they're giving us. They work really, really well, guys. And what I do, I come in and I do my trades first thing in the morning, and then from there I forget about it. I don't even think about it. I don't even look at it. I might go in once in the evening and take a look at it just to see how they're doing. But I approach this very unemotionally. I do the trade sets that they give us, and from there I just let it work. And as you can see, I've got quite a few trades in here. I am on the active Unify signals. I pay for these. Obviously, once you guys spend the next 2 weeks seeing if these work, you're going to decide for yourself if you want to come in and actually purchase these signals. I believe at the end of the 2 weeks that the trading is going to be extremely good, and you're going to see that, yeah, this is the place you want to be. This is where you want to trade, and paying the fee that it costs to get these signals really is a nominal fee compared to the rate of return that we're getting. The last testimonial we posted in our Facebook group, Dan did right around 20% for the month of February. Absolutely just a phenomenal rate of return. And as we go forward, I have seen as high as 48% rate of return for the month. You don't always get that. Some months are lower than others. We've had it as low as 8%. But overall, these signals are working really, really well. Just a quick trade for you to show you how to do it. Very, very simple. Doesn't matter what exchange you're on. I'm on this exchange. I use a MetaTrader 4 to do my trading, but it's working really, really well, guys. This was a quick example of how the trade goes. Hope this helps you. And moving forward, yeah, I think it's going to be extremely exciting. The last thing I'd like to share with you is a calculator, a compounding calculator. And this is kind of the fun part of the business, going in and seeing what could happen in the future. If we run over to the calculator, and this calculator will be in the email that we've sent you, and you will be able to play with this. But I just want to start with $500, traded over the course of 72 months, which is 6 years, at 8.5%, just to see where we'd be. And what this is showing you is really how well compounding works if you come in, if you're consistent, if you're disciplined, unemotional, and just let it work. Normally, the average trading account that we're seeing is between $1,000 and $5,000. So if I put $1,000 in there and go to a really conservative rate of return of 10%, what is that going to do for us in 6 years? Boom. It's almost $1 million. So you can go back and use this calculator. It's just kind of fun to play with. I think it will show you a way forward as these signals start coming in and you see the rates of return. It will show you a way forward to reach those financial goals that you've maybe only dreamt about. But I believe what we're doing with these Forex signals will give you a way forward. We'll show you a really, really good way to trade in the Forex market and be extremely successful. So what I'd like you to do today, guys, is go on down, click the link, run over, go through the process, review the back office, and then start trading today. That's what we want you to do. Start trading today so that these free signals actually start making an impact in your Forex trading. And from there, if you could, please do send us feedback. We want to make this site as good as it can be. We want it to be very maneuverable. You can get in and out of it very easily. And everybody coming in, we want them to be able to use the site. And with your input, we're going to make it better and better and better. And I believe in the next months to come, we're just going to have some fun with this, guys. It's just going to be a ball to go in, do your trades, and watch them work. So that's it for today. Glad you're here. Glad you're in our Forex trading team. And from here, it's just pure and simple happy trading.